Hello peoples, I know I've made a few videos already, but this is a trailer, well not trailer anymore, but we're going to be releasing this poor bird. Like, he's not our pet or anything, but yeah. He's a wild bird. We found him on the road and he was going to get hit by a car, so my dad just picked him up. He came home, was quite happy. Then we came home from school, he met us and stuff. He does this special thing, but I'm pretty sure he's not going to. Hello? Yeah, we're going to let it go. I'm recording and putting it on YouTube.
Stopped going crazy.
Yeah.
Dad, I'm putting it on YouTube.
It's just been placing and
Yeah.
I think we should let it go.
Yeah,
let's
let's.
terrible weather the next few days, so I think
Yeah, now's a good time.
daylight.
Birdie?
He's not going to Scouts, is he?
Nah.
That's what I said to him, and he said, I've got Scouts.
Well, now we're recording our weird arguments as well. Aren't we, Mum? I see a spider.
Just back up, please.
Oh, flip that spider. Let Axel make a backflip. Make the spider backflip. Oh! God, you're getting
Where's the
yourself
spider?
in the video. I don't know. Swinging, trying to get out. We would let you out in just 2 seconds. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay,
Where's Mum gone?
I don't know. Wait, why do we have to look away? Oh, by the way, I can't. I'm recording.
You can, but just record once we do it.
No, what are we doing?
Yeah, just record for a second, I'm just getting it ready.
To let him
If
in.
you're not interested.
Mom, come on.
Have you taken a photo of it?
Yeah, I've taken a photo. And we can remember this video on YouTube. Since Dad subbed to my channel. I have 1 sub. Right, get your phones and cameras ready. I'm really nervous. I'm just really shaky.
Rosie.
Rosie. I said to call him Coconut. But anyways.
Coconut.
Or Coco.
Oh, Rosie.
Hi, Rosie. He's probably going to call him Todd in this video. So.
Don't say anything silly.
This is probably the longest video I've had so far.
So no one's going to watch it even if it's this long.
So stop it, and then start it again. When we're going to release him.
We're going to do it now,
Yeah. Before it gets too dark.
It's only been going for 3.5 minutes. I've seen videos
Okay, there we
of a lot more.
Everyone stand back.
Alright guys, here's the big moment.
You ready to go,
3,
Rosie?
Good
2,
luck, sweetie. Good
1, now.
There you go, Rosie.
Rosie, you're free.
Stand back, guys. Stand back, please.
Stand back.
Stand back.
There you go, Rosie. Good girl.
There.
Yay.
Oh, this is sad. Oh, he's got to make a nest up there.
We're going up to sit there and just look around and see
yeah.
what's going on.
There you go. Have a nice life.
Actually, I don't want you to go now. Come back.
Yeah, I'm sad too, Dad. I'm sad.
Yeah, but he's going to be happier.
Yeah.
Hopefully it can find some friends. Yeah?
Yeah, hopefully.
See some birds fly over, that would be good.
I hear some birds over this direction. No, all I see is blue sky.
He's still up there.
Yeah, it's still up there. I can't properly see. Yes, I can. Is he?
Straight up there.
Nearly?
Yes, I see.
Straight there.
Hopefully it'll be alright.
Yeah.
I hope he's alright.
And it sits up the tree and starts
Dad,
talking.
could you hold it out? I can't see it.
See it from there, mate. Look, right there.
Oh, I see it now.
Hello, Rosie.
Hello. Alright, I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye.
Can't